Troubled by update and shutdown or update and restart options in Windows 11? Here's how to take control of your updates and remove those options easily. First, search for Computer Management in the Windows search bar. And open it. Next, in the Computer Management window, click on Service and Applications from the menu on the left. Then, click on Services. Step 2. Adjust Windows Update settings in the Services list, find Windows Update, and double-click it. Now, do the following. Expand Startup Type and select Disabled. Click on the Recovery tab. For the first failure, set it to Take No Action. Finally, click Apply and then OK. Go back to the left side menu and click on Task Scheduler. Expand Task Scheduler library. Expand Microsoft. Then Windows. And finally, Windows Update. Find the task called Schedule Start, right-click on it, and select Disable. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.